everyone. Are you confused about how to book your tickets to Osaka Expo 2025? Well, I was too, so I spent so many hours searching and I finally done it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Expo ID, how to book tickets, how to reserve your time, and how to do the lottery and all that good stuff. So let's dive in.
The Expo Ticket website, and I'll link this below. So we're going to go through these steps in this video. So what you want to do is to register for an Expo ID, and that's what you need to purchase the tickets. So if you have your whole family going, each person actually needs their own Expo ID. But one person who can be the main person can do all the registration on behalf of the whole group. And then we're going to look for the confirmation email. Let's see, check the email, and here is the link. Click on that. Once you're here, you're just going to fill out the information as required, like the ID, password. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And now you need to choose one identity verification method. So you can do passport authentication, one-time password, or one-time password to the email. So each time you log into the Expo website, you do have to have a basically a OTP two-factor authentication turned on. So I'm just going to choose email. So now we've completed registering for the Expo ID, and the next step is to purchase tickets. So the first way to purchase it is through the Expo website itself, and I'm going to go through how to do that now. So when you get to this page, you can now choose one of two options. You can specify the date and time of when you want to go, or you can just buy a ticket now and you can choose the time and date later. So I'm just going to show you how to choose. You can choose buy a general ticket type of ticket, and then I'll go through how to buy the reservation. So you'll pay attention to each ticket has different times, and for example, the opening ticket is only from April 13th to 26th. So you want to be careful and really look at the details of which ticket you're buying. So I'm going to choose the first half period ticket. I'm going in May. So this is from April 13th to July 18th. So we are just going to one. And I'm just going to show you. And then you can add it. And then you can go to purchase ticket. And then here, just confirming that this is one, and then go to confirm the purchase details. And just to note that there is non-refundable once you purchase it. Just confirming the details, and you can select your payment method, credit card. You can read through all this. Okay, you confirm. Then you can confirm, and then you'll go to payment. And this is the payment information, and you can just put in your credit card details, everything, and then you can click next. And when I purchased my ticket, I actually didn't go through this website. And the reason being is that I live in Canada, so the credit cards I use usually have a 2.5% foreign transaction fee. So because the currency is in yen, I'm going to have to pay an additional 2.5% on top of that. So what I actually did was I purchased my ticket through Klook instead, and I'll show you how to do that. I prefer that way because I can change the currency that I want to buy it in, as well as you can get cash back. Well, they're called Klook Cash. Okay, and I'll show you how to do that. So you're going to go on the Klook website, and over here, you can change the currency. So this is set to US dollars. And here you can search for the ticket. And over here, you can see the different types of tickets that you can get. So you can see the validity of the date. So, for example, the opening tickets valid from April 13th to April 26th. And so you want to actually look on the actual Expo ticket to see the times that might be available because these just shows the dates. So, for example, the season pass shows the dates, but the season pass you can only allow entry after 11 a.m., which doesn't specify here. So again, refer to the actual Expo website to look at all the different conditions of each ticket. We can go back up and we're just going to choose the one-day ticket early bird. You can choose a number of tickets. Book now. What's also cool about this is that
because the tickets are non-refundable on the Expo website, if you buy on here, you can actually choose this option, which is a no-show refund, in which you'll get back 60% of what you pay for the ticket if you can't make it for any reason. So you can see here the cost of that is $313 Canadian. And if you don't want that option, you can just uncheck it. I'm also going to put my referral link down below, in which if it's your first purchase on Klook, you can get $5 off your first purchase. So that could help. You're gonna go to payments. You just enter your credit card. It's in Canadian dollars. Once you get it, you get a confirmation in your email. You can click on the voucher, and then you can see that this is the same price as on the website. This is yen, 5,000 yen, and then this is the ticket number. And so you can just copy this ticket number, and I'll show you how to add it to your Expo ID. So you're going to go to your Expo ID website, and you're going to go down and click on additional ticket registration. And here you're just going to paste the ticket ID and click add. And you can just go click confirm. You can see that shows up here and click add tickets. And that's successfully registered. So you can do this for as many tickets as you have. Just continue to add more tickets. That you can apply for the same reservation and lottery for multiple tickets. Here's the time of reservation. And we're going to do select all. And then apply with selected tickets. We're going to choose date. And then scroll down, choose the time. And select. As it's set. There we go. Okay. And now we're going to do the lottery for multiple tickets. The same reservation lottery ticket again. And we're going to apply for the lottery 2 months in advance. So we're going to select all. And we're going to apply with selected tickets. And so we can see here the option is open. You have to register this one at a time. Register. And so here, the search bar does not work very well. So you put in Japan, you click search, for example. It doesn't show up, like it doesn't really work. So it's better, it's actually showing up all the other ones, but if nothing still shows no results, which I had earlier, just click the search button. And you're just gonna see the list of all the ones that do require reservation. Pavilions or events, you can sort by that. So we are gonna look for all the different ones here. You can see more down here. And let's say we want to go to the Japan Pavilion. The Japan Pavilion was extremely hard to get to in Dubai, so I anticipate that's also going to be pretty hard to get into. And they may, and in Dubai, they only require you can only get in if you had an advanced reservation. So you can find more information here. The viewing time is 35 minutes. And then you can also click here for more details. And each pavilion has its own website. And you can see more information about what it is. So let's go back here, and then you can choose the time that you want to enter. Say we want to do the 1:30. And then you can do registration of desired contents. And then great. So you can have a different, depending on how badly you want to get into this pavilion, you can choose a different time slot for the same pavilion event. So this is your second choice now. Your second choice. And it'll go back in and you can just go back and see. You already registered this. Let's say you're good with just Japan and you want to try your luck with the other pavilions and you can go back. So the thing to note is you will only get granted 1 out of the 5 preferences. So if you really want to go into a certain pavilion, then a better strategy is to book all 5 time slots for the same pavilion. I've now chosen all 5 time slots and we're going to apply for lottery with this content.
You see that the lottery funds haven't changed it. So you can change your wishes as many times during the lottery period and you'll get notified of the results. Close. Then you can see now that we have done what we can. So when the next lottery opens, it should appear here. And there you go. That's what you. So something about the canceling is if you want to change or cancel it, you have to do it for each ticket. Each ticket. So you can book them all at once for all tickets, but if you cancel, you have to cancel each ticket and each person has to cancel. So that's something to note.
I hope that was helpful, and then now you're able to get less confused about how to book your tickets, how to book your reservations and lottery, and all that good stuff. If you want to see more updates about the expo, please subscribe to this channel, as we're gonna be posting more videos when we actually go to the expo about what the best pavilions will be and what to eat at the expo. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.